Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Caitlin, and in this video I will show you how to make a funfetti cake. I will also go over what type of sprinkles to use and how much to add to your batter. Let us know in the comments what your favorite type of sprinkle is to use in your funfetti cakes. When it comes to making a funfetti cake, you can use a variety of sprinkle types. You can also use a rainbow mix, just one color, or anything in between. Adding sprinkles to your cake batter makes it much more fun to cut into the cake. This technique can be used for any occasion, such as birthdays, gender reveals, and much more. Continue watching this video to learn more about funfetti cakes. Let's get started. Start by mixing your vanilla cake batter from scratch or from a mix. For a single batch of cake batter, add half a cup of your desired sprinkles and mix gently. Be sure not to mix the sprinkles too much or they will begin to bleed the color into your cake batter. Next, I will show you what type of sprinkles can and cannot be used in a cake batter. I divided my cake batter into 3 bowls and used 3 tablespoons of sprinkles in each. The first type of sprinkle that can be used is jimmies. This sprinkle type is good to use as they do not bleed easily and can be found in a variety of colors and mixes. Gently stir the sprinkles and cake batter together, then pour into a greased pan. This amount is perfect for a 5 by 2 inch pan. The next type of sprinkle that can be used is confetti. These sprinkles usually do not bleed into the cake batter and can be found in a variety of colors. This sprinkle type also comes in large and small confetti size. The final type of sprinkle we will be using is nonpareils. This sprinkle is not ideal for adding to a cake as the colored exterior coating will bleed into your cake batter. For this cake type, we recommend using jimmies or confetti sprinkles. As you can see here, once the cakes are baked, the jimmies and confetti sprinkles are suspended in the cake and left vibrant colors behind. The cake made with the nonpareils does not show any of the color on the sprinkles or in the batter. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and turning on the notifications. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos. Don't forget to leave a comment down below letting us know what sprinkle color combination is your favorite to add to cakes. If you want to see more videos like this one, check out the Baking and Decorating Tips playlist on our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, and be sure to check out our stories for upcoming videos. Our social media links can be found in the description box below. We love to see how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.